Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi with cucumber. First, select a high-quality short-grain sushi rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, which usually takes about 5 to 7 rinses. Cook the rice using a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoned vinegar mixture while the rice is still warm. This gives your sushi that signature tangy flavor. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the cucumber. Peel your cucumber and carefully remove the watery seed core to prevent your sushi from becoming soggy. Then, slice the cucumber into long, thin strips, about 1/4 inch thick. Now, for rolling, place a sheet of nori shiny side down on your bamboo mat. Spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving 1/3 bare. With your rice spread, it's time to add the cucumber. Place your thin cucumber strips horizontally across the rice, closer to the edge of the nori that's nearest to you. Now, using your bamboo mat, lift the edge and begin to roll tightly, pressing down to form a firm cylinder. Moisten the exposed edge of the nori with a little water to create a secure seal. Maintain gentle, even pressure as you roll to ensure a compact and well-formed sushi roll. Finally, the moment of truth, slicing your sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with a little water, to cut your roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wiping the knife clean with a damp cloth between each cut will ensure clean, precise slices. Arrange your beautiful cucumber sushi rolls on a platter. Serve them immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.